Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huawei Nova 11 Pro device, and now I can show you camera top tricks for this smartphone. So firstly, let's open the camera application. So let's start with the first trick of our device. Is night mode. So everybody knows that Huawei has really awesome night mode, so we can take really great pictures in the darkness. So in the dark part of the day. Here we have the portrait mode. In the portrait mode, we can choose the presets. For example, we can use classic, pure, mono, moody, natural, blue, fair, and pink colors, for example. Here we have the effects. We can use circles. So let's show it. We can use circles, effects, slow shutter, hearts, photo booth, and for example stage lighting. So we can use these features too, of course. And we have the beauty feature. So beauty feature is improving your skin and the photo, and you don't need to use the Photoshop or other photo editing applications to improve your photo. Cool. So here in the normal photo mode, we have the object. I don't know how to name it. So maybe it's object mode or object detecting mode. Here we can use identify mode, code scanner. So for example, if you want to identify something, for example, I want to identify the other Huawei device. So let's try to identify. And as you can see, it didn't find the Huawei device. It's because it's using the Bing search to identify features and products. Of course, if it will use Google, it will do better. But now, when it works with Bing, it works not too good. Here we can scan QR codes. Here, if you wanna shop something, for example, if you want to shop the flower, artificial flower, so just take a photo of the artificial flower you want to shop, wait a while, and I have no result. But if you will use Google to search, so of course it will work better. Translate. So using translate, we can translate the text. For example, if you have something you want to translate and you don't want to, for example, when I have the, for example, here, okay, get started. For example, here I have Azerbaijani language, and for example, if you want to translate something, you just need to place the photo to the part of the text you want to translate, and it will translate it automatically. Cool. And great. Go back. What we have here? Here, as you can see, we have the presets too. So we can use presets not for portraits only, but for normal photos too. So let's reboot for this application and go. And here, as you can see, we have the AI button. So click on it to enable AI camera feature. Using this feature, it will color your image in the way that you will don't need to change colors and to edit this photo before you will post it to Instagram, for example, because using AI mode, your photos will look great for the start. Cool. So open the video mode. In video mode we can use presets too. Here we have classics, down, pure, mono, moody, and other. And here we have lens mode. So lens mode is really perfect mode if you wanna record video with portraits. So I suggest to try this mode. And here we have vlogs. So in vlogs we can use really different and honestly strange modes. So I don't know why we need it, but we have it. So for example, here we have mode rear and rear. Okay, and here we have zoomed and not zoomed image on the one screen. So if you need it, you have it, but I don't know why we need it. Okay, so here we have front and front. Oh my god, so here we have two front videos recording in the same time. So if you know how to use it, please write in comments, because I don't know why we need this feature. Here we have front and front 2, but it looks really strange. Here we have front with zoom, and here we have front image without zoom. Okay, maybe. Cool. And of course in vlog mode we can set up music, we can set up picture-in-picture mode, we can set up other settings too. So cool. And in the more mode we have several great features too. So for example, here we have moving picture. Moving picture, it's like a live photo, in on the iPhones, on iOS devices, but it works a bit later. So let's try to take a moving photo, and wait a while, open this move photo and click on the move button. And as you can see, it's like a part video or like a GIF file, but it's just a photo, and you can share it like just a normal JPG file. Cool. And it's great. So wait a while, and here we have story creator. With story creator mode, we can record vlogs and other different beautiful videos. Here we have panorama. Here we have stickers, so we can create stickers with our faces, like in Samsung devices, for example. And here we have really great mode. It's documents mode. In documents mode, we can create photos of our documents and save it in PDF file. Super macro, every Huawei device has the super macro device, but here we have high-res feature. Using the high-res feature, we can enable 50 megapixels mode to use all performance of our 50 megapixels camera. Of course, here we can step presets too, but in this mode we can use all our 50 megapixels. And of course we can use the 50 megapixels with AI, and using 50 megapixels AI mode, pictures will be and our photos will be really better. So let's try it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.